Hello everyone, this is Daniel and welcome back to uGenesys, and today I want to introduce you to our market structure indicator. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first we're going to look at what a break of structure and also a change of character is, and then I'll show you how you can easily identify them with our new indicator. So now a break of structure is when the market breaks above or below a previous high or low that was made in the market. And so as you can see right here, this is an example of where we have a break of structure. So you can see this area was the previous low, and then the market went below this area and broke it. So that is why we say it's a break of structure. It's actually surpassing previous levels of highs and lows that were in the market. And so this example here is a bearish break of structure, and that's indicated by this red line here, okay, where you see BOS. And so that lets you know that we're heading into a downtrend, okay? And so right here we have an example of a bullish break of structure, and as you can see, this was the previous high of the market right here, but then the market came up and then it closed above this area, and so it broke the overall structure. And after doing that, it went higher and higher, so you can see the market continued to go up, okay? And so now many traders use break of structure as a way of getting very good entries when a trend begins. And as you may know, whenever you trade the trend, you usually are able to get a lot of pips, and you're able to make a lot more money compared to when the market is flat. And so in these areas here, the market is usually flat and it's just moving up and down in very tight areas. But when you have a break of structure, usually you can catch the beginning of a trend. And so this was a good example here of trend trading using a break of structure. And so now a change of character is also something that is quite important to a lot of traders. A change of character is, for example, when you have a downtrend and then the market changed from the downtrend into an uptrend. So for example, right here we have a bearish break of structure saying that the market is going to go down. However, the market did not continue going down. After the market broke below this low here, then it reversed and went up. So it failed to actually go any further down. And this failure is a change of character. So the market failed to go down, but then it went up. And so here's another example. So right here we can see we have two bullish break of structures in this chart, and we're expecting the market to continue going up. However, the market didn't go up. So the market went up for a bit, but then it fell down and closed below the previous break of structure. And then we had a sell cycle begin. And so this sell cycle is a change of character. So just remember guys, a change of character is when there was a previous trend and then it just becomes tired and fails to go any further. So it fails to go above or below certain levels, so it retraces and a new trend starts. So we have our bullish break of structure, so you can see the market was trying to go up over the hill, but then it ran out of gas and fell right back down and actually closed below the previous break of structure there, and then proceeded to go back down the hill. So now that we have established what a break of structure is and what a change of character is, I'm going to show you guys what makes our indicator special. Now, many of you may understand what a break of structure is and what a change of character is, but you don't know how to trade them, especially if you're a brand new trader. So what my team did is that we implemented our points so that you can have an idea of where to enter and where to exit. So this is the feature that was built into this indicator just to help you guys have a better idea of where your target should be and where your stop loss should be. And doing this will definitely help you have better entries. And so now, should this be your only guide? No. Break of structure, change of character, and even us giving you our entry ideas should be additional confirmations for you. So you should be able to establish your daily bias of the market. So you should be able to identify and have an idea of where the market is going, if it's going up or if it's going down. So for example, you look at the market here and you see that the market is definitely going down, and then you come to the chart and you can see the bearish change of character and different indications, and you can say yes, this is definitely a good confirmation. So this is how you trade. You don't rely on one indicator or one set of rules to enter a trade. You need confirmation. So we're happy to have included this little extra help for you guys, and if you have any questions, you can let us know. And so to get this indicator, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.